Get out of the way, idiots.
Don't see a number on it, so I don't know where it came from.
Yeah, that came from that station back there.
I'm sure.
Yo, what are the freaking odds? Oh, another vehicle's coming up behind.
Yeah, I see it. I guess the phone ain't there, so they can play one.
I hear it coming from that end. That's an ambulance. Nope, fire truck. Nope, ambulance. Oh, taser! Oh, taser! Where's the...
all in black with a white design on
I think he's gonna be that.
I'm trying to get a picture out of it.
Yo, airhorn! It's coming this way. Let's see how vehicles react. Residential fire alarm.
Stay over here in the grass. I don't know how far those trucks gonna even swing.
Smoke detector, guys. Yo, this is second time. Look at the guys, they're getting ready. Yo, this is cool. Yo, I bet they're gonna use the federal queue. Ladder 9 responding. It's gonna be ladder 9. Guys, ladder 9, engine 9 responding. We got engine 9 and ladder 9 responding. Yeah, baby, go get them. Go get them. Ladder 9 responding, guys. Marshall, he would want to ride on the engine. Oh, they have the federal queue! Yo, that was awesome.